I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make beef nuggets at home. First, let's prepare our ground beef. You'll want about 1 pound of lean ground beef for this recipe. Season it generously with your preferred spices, perhaps a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half teaspoon of onion powder, and a pinch of salt and black pepper. Mix everything well to ensure every bite is bursting with flavor. Then, form the mixture into small, bite-sized nuggets, about 1 inch in diameter. Now let's cook these delicious nuggets. You have a few great options. You can pan-fry them in a skillet with a tablespoon of oil over medium heat until golden brown, which takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Alternatively, bake them on a baking sheet at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, flipping halfway. For an even crispier texture, air fry them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. Always ensure they reach an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit for safety. Want to get creative with your beef nuggets? There are so many ways to add exciting flavors. Try mixing in a 1/4 cup of shredded cheddar cheese for a gooey, cheesy delight. For a bit of heat, add a tablespoon of finely diced jalapenos. A teaspoon of smoked paprika can give them a wonderful smoky depth. Don't be afraid to experiment with different spice blends, like a zesty taco seasoning or a savory Italian herb mix, to find your perfect combination. Finally, let's talk about serving your homemade beef nuggets. They are incredibly versatile. Serve them hot with your favorite dipping sauces, like barbecue, ketchup, or a creamy ranch. They make a fantastic, quick snack on their own, or you can pair them with a fresh green salad for a more complete and balanced meal. You can even use them as a delicious protein topping for pasta dishes or rice bowls. Enjoy your easy, homemade beef nuggets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.